Hi, this is a quick overview of the Comet Racing Leather's Arrow suit. It's best for longer athletic bodies. The suit itself, of course, like all of our suits at pro level, 1.2 millimeter cowhide full grain leather. The options, of course, of titanium or carbon Kevlar sliders on the knees and elbows, fixed or replaceable elbow sliders, C armor throughout the suit, full triple seamed Kevlar stitching throughout the suit, YKK zippers throughout the suit, removable liner, and carbon fiber on the hips for extra protection, as well as double seamed 2.6 thickness in the lower back and high abrasion areas. The beautiful thing about the suit itself at Comet is that as a brand ambassador, we will send you a blank PDF that you can then mark up as how you'd like the suit as far as logos and colors, completely customize the suit. We will then make up, our graphic designers will design the mock-up for you to approve, and then of course you will then get this beautiful custom design that of your own choice. The last thing is you'll end up like this at the track. So again, this is the overview of the Comet Arrow, built for longer athletic bodies, and basically it's simple. Design, custom work, one, print it out, mark it up. We will then mock it up, and then we build it for you. Look forward to partnering with you. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye.